Imagine a world where social media engagement and online retail collide. Welcome to 2024, where TikTok Shop is not just a trend, but a game-changing platform with limitless potential for sellers. Picture Sarah, a passionate creator who turned her love for handmade jewelry into a thriving business. Sarah began her journey on TikTok Shop, showcasing her unique creations through captivating, fun videos. Her audience didn't just double or triple but skyrocketed to new heights. Her secret? TikTok Shop's integrated platform. It's a place where discovery meets shopping. Users don't have to leave the app to purchase products. They can do it right there and then. This seamless experience fuels impulsive buys and drives higher conversions. And for Sarah, it meant turning viewers into customers and customers into loyal fans. Now imagine this success, but without the day-to-day hassle of managing the shop. That's where Elite Automation steps in. Offering a comprehensive solution, Elite Automation takes care of the creation and management of your TikTok shop. With a secure dropshipping model, your profits become largely passive, leaving you free to focus on what you do best, creating. As we navigate through 2024, TikTok Shop is the new frontier of e-commerce. It's a place of untapped potential, with its billion-strong audience and lower competition. Whether you're a creator like Sarah, an investor, or simply someone with a vision, TikTok Shop offers a scalable, risk-managed pathway to success. So capitalize on the potential of TikTok Shop. With Elite Automation by your side, you can turn your passion into profit, just like Sarah. It's time to ride the wave of e-commerce evolution. Are you ready?